What is prayer? Many people have been praying, but let me go and pray. Let me go and pray. Okay, it is good. What is prayer? Before you go and pray, before you gather and pray, start talking by yourself that what am I going to say to my God? Prayer is a key. Prayer is a key that opens the spiritual doors. Prayer is a key that opens spiritual God. And remember, life starts from the spirit. Life starts from the spirit. So when you pray, you will have that spirit, and after that you will get better life in your prayer. We have importance of prayer. Importance of prayer. Importance of prayer. Prayer release angels. Prayer release angels. So if you want to communicate with God through angels, you have to pray. He will relieve angels from the heaven to come and guide you. Read Isaiah chapter 1 verse 1. Isaiah says, before you call, I shall answer your prayer. God knows our prayer before you pray. So before we pray, you have to think something which you are going to pray. So God, after thinking, you pray. So God answer our thoughts. It was written that before you pray, God answer our prayer. So God will answer your thoughts. You think for whatever you're going to pray, then God shall answer your prayer. Remember also, read Daniel chapter 10 verse 10 to 12. Praying tongues will help you in difficulties. For example, you have thieves. Let us say you have thieves. Thieves have been in your church, or they are surrounded you. They will never get whatever you are praying or how you are talking. So they will be confused. So it is better to ask God to release his angel to guide you and start praying in tongues. Prayer generates power. Prayer generates power. Prayer generates power. Job, if you read James 5:16, power is ability. Power is ability to cause change. Power is ability to cause change. Prayer affects all people surrounding you. Prayer affects all people surrounded. How does prayer affect all people surrounded you? One, for example, if you have witchcraft, if they are witchcraft, they will be blocked not to do anything bad for you, because God will protect you in everything you are doing. So prayer affects everybody against you or surrounding you. Prayer prepare the future. Prepare the future. Prayer prepares the future. Matthew 7:17 verse 1. John 17 verse 1. In the difficulty, if you go to church, you are being embarrassed in your church, never bother. Just continue praying. God shall answer your prayer. If you go at your home, you will see many things that people may say about you. Never bother. Just say that God will answer your prayer. Continue praying at night, at midnight, every time, at 3 o'clock. Just prayer will continue protecting your family. Prayer will be your key. Prayer will open the doors which has been locked.